The Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance is one of 51 Manufacturing Extension Partnership, or MEP, programs across the United States and Puerto Rico. My focus every day is creating opportunities for connectivity with our partners in the innovation model, to work with our state partners, Department of Commerce, and to serve as an economic development engine for our state, specifically in manufacturing. Manufacturing creates primary jobs. Those jobs are those that create others. For every 100 manufacturing job created, there are about 240 other jobs that are created alongside that. So you can see the definite impact that this would have on the economy of our state. I've worked in communities such as Broken Arrow, where they have about 350 manufacturers. They understand what that does for their economy. We understand in Oklahoma what that does for our economy. As I said, we were chartered to help create jobs, help grow capital investment, and really help those primary job creators, which are manufacturers, grow in the state of Oklahoma and find opportunities for success.